back to Beyond Cooking World. Today we're gonna make my favorite food, and it is pizza. And one more thing I have to tell you, my twin brother really loves pizza, so we're gonna make a yummy, easy pizza. He's sleeping now, but if he wakes up and I'm done, he will be so surprised and he'll ask like, pizza, pizza, pizza. I'm so excited. Let's move to the ingredients. A cup of all-purpose flour and a cup of yogurt. And this is Italian seasoning and chicken. And I put corn because my dad really loves corn. Mozzarella cheese and red and green bell pepper. And this is how to make the sauce. Garlic, salt, and diced tomato. You can add fresh tomatoes also for the sauce. Now I'm gonna add the flour. And then the yogurt. Just sprinkle some salt. And mix it well to make a smooth dough. I added little by little oil, and if it's sticky, add more flour. Now we're gonna see if our dough has finished. Wow, nothing is sticking, so that means it is finished. So I'm taking wet tissue, but if you want, you can take a wet cloth. But now you have to put the wet cloth on your dough for 1 hour. We're gonna make the tomato sauce. For that, we have to put some oil, which I'm gonna do. Now oil is hot, so now let's add garlic. Now garlic is cooked, so now let's add tomato. Now we have to add a little bit salt. And if you have oregano, please add the oregano. It will make a better taste. And add little pepper. Now let's add little bit of chili flakes. Add pinch of baking soda. I don't have oregano, so I'm going to add a little bit Italian spices. If you're using fresh tomato, always use ripe tomatoes. Cook this to 20 to 30 minutes so the raw smell goes. I'm going to add a little sugar. Bake in the oven, first you have to preheat for 500 degrees. So let's do it. After 1 hour, let's divide the dough. Let's sprinkle some dough and then make it round. Now we have to add little oil to this pan. Now we have to spread it. Now let's apply our homemade sauce. And spread some mozzarella cheese. Okay, I added all the veggies. And now let's add chicken. If you don't like chicken, you can just leave it. But I love chicken. Now it's preheated for 500 degrees. So now let's put the pizza and cook it for 7 minutes. So let's do it. Now let's do it in the air fryer. Let's cook in the air fryer for 400. Look at my yummy pizza in the air fryer. Let's cook in the gas stove. For that, we put it oil on this pan, and then we have to add our dough. After the oil is hot, I added the pizza dough. After 2 minutes, we have to flip this dough. Now we can add tomato sauce and other veggies. Sprinkle some Italian seasoning. Cover it with the lid. Cook it for 5 minutes in medium heat. So let's do it. Look at my yummy pizzas. This one is from the air fryer, gas stove, and oven. Oh, it's time to taste. I can't wait anymore. Super. And delicious. Try this delicious pizza right now, and thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. See you later.